Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Thanks for joining me today. Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. In today's video, we're going to take a look at this truck bed tent from Sailnovo. We'll do a short unboxing, a quick setup, and then do an overview of this tent, along with a testing of how waterproof it really is. If you're in the market for a truck bed tent, then stick around. All right, your Sailnovo truck bed tent will come in a nice carry bag. It's an oversized bag, so there will be a little bit of slack, which is nice because, as a lot of you know who tent, it's sometimes very difficult to get the tent back inside the bag that comes with it. Inside the bag, you're going to have your set of instructions located, sewn into the storage bag. You have your tent. We'll go ahead and do a quick setup of this tent, and then we'll get it installed in the back of the truck. What you find once you start unrolling your tent is the tent poles. These tent poles are the fiberglass style with the elastic cord inside, so they stay together. We'll get these put together, laid out. Now that you have all your poles assembled, you're going to roll out the rest of the tent. You're going to see the enclosed rain fly, 100% waterproof. Keep yourself dry if you happen to go out camping on those rainy days. Let's hope not. Let's hope the weather's nice when you're camping. Once you have your tent all spread out, you're going to see these yellow sleeves. The ones that look like an X on your tent, those are going to be for the medium-sized poles. The front entry yellow slot is going to be for the longest pole, and then the shorter pole is going to be your top cross section. Let's get these poles inserted, and then we'll get it set up on top of the truck and see how it looks. These poles will then fit into these little pouches at the end where your buckle clips are. They just slide in. All four corners. Once you have your cross sections up, it's time to install the one that goes through the front door here, which is your longest pole. Once you have your tent up, the last step here, snap these little clips around. Now take your shortest pole. It's going to sit right inside this little tab right here that you can see, just like this. All right, here's a quick look of the tent before we get it put on the back of the pickup truck. So you got some straps here. These straps are going to be used to secure it on the side of the truck. Setup is really quick. Less than 5 minutes to set it up in total. Just got your 4 poles. Check this out, guys. We got it installed. It's going to be the same width as your truck bed, and this is installed on a F-150 with the 5.5 foot truck bed. As you can see, I can easily lay down inside of here. Plenty of space behind me yet. Plenty of space in front of my feet. Enough space to probably put a small air mattress in, maybe a twin size. Now obviously you can't stand up, but just about. I'm 5'11", and I'm just about this much taller than the tent, which makes it really nice. If you're a little bit shorter, you're gonna have no problem standing up inside of here. Take a look at the outside with it installed here. You're gonna have these clips here that hold the side of the tent over your box. They just simply connect and fasten underneath your wheel wells. Then you can draw them tight just by pulling on the string here. As we come inside the tent, you're going to see a nice zippered window, which is also waterproof. with a double stitch seams. Zipper works really well. No restrictions there. You're gonna have a nice mosquito screen net to protect you from the bugs. This window can be rolled up if you want it to be and attached with these clips right here. Here's a quick look inside the tent. You're gonna have a nice screen ventilation port at the top along with a light hanging fixture there. Full panoramic style screened in windows. So when you're sitting inside, you're gonna have a great view of the scenery around you. When inside this tent, if the bugs are bad, you have this large entry door. Has a screen mesh built into it. So you can zipper that all the way up. Keep the bugs from coming in as well, with a really nice view of everything behind you. And at nighttime, as the nights get cool, or if the weather's changing to rain, you can zipper up this full waterproof double stitch seam entry door as well. And that'll protect you from the elements. Now we'll go ahead and get the rainfly installed for those dreaded rainy camping trip days. All right, once you have the rainfly up over the top, you're gonna notice in all four corners, these buckles are attached to the rainfly. You connect them to the tent and then just draw them tight. You can also tie them down with the supplied strings. Once you have all four corners buckled, take the loose ends of these clips here, hook them underneath your frame, and pull the drawstrings tight. Next, these windows have ventilation ports in them. You can open them up. There is a little piece here, support bracket, that gets velcroed on here. And what that allows that to do is keep that window open and allow fresh air to flow through it. Now with this rainfly installed, your tent is 100% waterproof. All right, I'm just gonna do a quick waterproof test. I'm gonna spray this down, simulate it like a shower, and we'll test it out and see how well it holds out the water. If you take a look up close, you can see that the water just beads off. Has a really nice rain protectant already installed on it. Now let's take a look inside. See what the results are here. Sprayed her down for a good 5 minutes, top and bottom. Climb inside. Completely dry. This tent is made with a 210D Oxford polyester with a PU 2000 mm water resistant coating. It offers 2 large scenic mesh windows, easy installation and adjustment with clips, 1 large rear entry door with a screen mesh for great visibility to keep the bugs out, and is designed for 2 people to camp in comfort. It's pretty impressive how you can turn a 5.5-foot truck bed into a spacious camping tent. The interior of this tent is rather high compared to some of the other truck bed tents out there. Very spacious, lightweight, and really quick to set up compared to the other ones on the market. You can have this set up by yourself in under 5 minutes. If you guys are in the market for a truck bed tent, check out this one from Sailnovo. With its quick, easy one-person setup, lightweight design, and full waterproof rainfly, you can't go wrong. If you guys are interested in this tent, I'll have a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.